Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something so amazing. It's another V-part wig but with a twist. This wig is by Unice Hair and I have tried out tons of their V-part wigs before. They are absolutely amazing. With this unit we got a satin bag to help keep our wig nice. We also got a little bag full of goodies. And this is what the V-part looks like. This V-part is very nicely done. The venting is almost invisible. And if you didn't know, you don't have to have any leave out with this wig. And look at this texture, isn't it beautiful? Now, starting off with my own hair, I have cane rows going straight back. You guys always love to laugh at my braids. I've been practicing. I swear it's gotten a little bit better. So once you've put the wig on your head, you then want to undo the clips. Don't hesitate to make any adjustments. You can pull the wig back and forth. You could even go for a side part if you really want to. Once you're happy with the placements, that's when you use the comb and then clip the clip shut. And last but not least, I like to use the side combs. When I first put on this wig, I was like, I don't really like the shape of it. So I decided to use a flat iron just to give it a little bit of body. So for this, I'm using a flat iron on low heat and I'm turning it at a slight angle next to the root, and that will give the hair a little bit of shape. This will give the hair a little bit of movement and stop the hair from looking just so flat and boring, you know. Also, I didn't use any product. This is how the wig came to me, already straight, and it also had a little bit of layers too, which I really like. But if you wear straight units a lot and you're trying to figure out how to give it a little bit more body, definitely try this. You will thank me later. At this part my camera died and I didn't even realize it, but I just put a little bit of curls at the end of the hair to make it into, you know, a little bit more of a style. Doesn't that look gorgeous? And I also decided to take out the cane row that was on the perimeter of my hair just to make it look a little more natural. That parting looks seamless. And I have been wearing this wig for a couple of days now and I've got so many compliments on it, it's unreal. Even though the unit is 24 inches, it's still very lightweight. Honestly, V-part wigs are perfect for summer. Now, this is where we're going to shock you. I have some warm water in a spray bottle and I'm going to spritz it all over the hair. You're probably thinking, what the hell? But I'm literally going to show you magic. Can you see those waves coming in? Yes, that is what we're looking for. Once you wet this hair, it turns wavy. So basically you have two wigs in one. Look at the comparison. In the beginning, I was really doubting that this would work, but honestly, it proved me wrong. So again, in this spray bottle, I have zero product whatsoever, just lukewarm water. Once the hair is fully saturated, I let it sit for about 5 minutes or so, just so that it could soak up all the moisture. And then because on this day I had somewhere to go, I used a hair dryer to make sure that the hair was bone dry. And I also have a diffuser attachment on it too. Then when the hair was 100% dry, I used a wide tooth comb to help pick up the roots. This is going to give us even more body and movement. And plus, who wants a flat curly wig? No one. I can't believe how easy this was to do. Do you know what I'd love to see? A straight wig, then when you wet it, it turns kinky curly. That will absolutely blow my mind. Now, after hardly any work, look at those beautiful beach waves. They are literally on the cusp of almost being curls. Maybe it's because I used lukewarm water. I reckon if you used really hot water, the curls would be popping. And again, this is zero product. If you are interested in trying out this hair, the link will be down in the description box below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.